This is Nandi. Today we are talking about Photoshop, how to make the grids and how to use repeatedly in Photoshop using action. So recently I did one video about action, but today I wanted to show you how you can use the grid, regular basis in the same template without any disturbance, so that your work process will be more you can deliver more number of images in terms of productivity. I hope this tutorial will help you. So let's start, because basically it is help for e-commerce image editor. So who are new to this, definitely you will understand this, and it will be very helpful for you. And who know this technique already, it's great. So let's start now. So I'll show you how we can create action and how we can use that in Photoshop, which it will improve your productivity. So now I will show you how we'll regularly work, and after that I'll show you how we can place the action, and we can work on that. Now I'm going to create one layout. It's a basic layout, whatever the size is, like 600 by 600 I'll take, or else 850 by 850. I don't remember actually, but yeah, I hope this will help you. So 150 dpi, so you're going to do for web, so RGB you just keep it, rest is fine. So I'll create. Okay, so I got my template here, so many other stuffs which I don't want here. Fine. So what we are going to do is, like, each time we need to create one template. This is not the way to the template, I know, but I'm just showing. So this is the procedure. If you do only one work, or only particular work, so it's very easy for you. But when you're changing the template, when you have multiple template, when you have multiple size, it's very difficult to run the show, like opening 3 or 4 templates and playing with that. So instead of that, it's very easy process using action. Make the template like this. So before that, I wanted to show you how we can use manually, and how it will be very difficult. So that whatever it is, the pixels which I use, like you can take 50 pixels. So that 50 pixels, I wanted to make one object here, so I make it red, because it should be highlighted, and I did that. And control A, don't forget it, it's control A. Your selection should be here, then you will get this option. So this is very few knows that they will play with this one very nicely, because I don't know, but I feel like it's very handy, and it's very easy, so that I'm using like this. Then after selection, this is a bottom one, this is a dead end one. If you want to take up, so you can take it. So here also you can put the grid. It's very easy process. After that, you take out this control A, control D, press it, so that that selection will be deselected. Then my grid is ready. So I don't want this thing. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I want this one later stage, but it's not for now. So I just delete here. Okay, okay, I deleted now. So this is the procedure regularly used to take for minimum template. So I wanted to make one more template which having the same size, but the grid will be like 50 means just like 25. Yes, 25. Then this is one big procedures which you need to follow. So sorry, I didn't select the color. This is the color I just selected, and coming back here, control A again, down and corner, done. So your thing is ready. Yeah, this is a grid process. So you need to do each time, and it takes a lot of time, and it's not a good procedure of doing the work. Okay, so as per me, we need to improve our speed. So what I suggest, example, whatever the things we did, we can do in the other way, but the same process, but using action we can do in something different. So action is like already, yeah, Trump was is here, so forget it. And new action I'm going to create. So this is like e-commerce image editing with grid. Fine. So already F2 is there. F3. F3 I'll put record. Oh, something's there, man. So control and F3. Fine. So this is control and F3. Now I started recording. So what we should do is just forget it. Whatever we did is, it's like we need to take one new size which you wanted, not me, which you wanted. This is my size I'm going to take here. So don't worry about that, don't forget it, that is your size. Okay, you shouldn't take my size. So now I wanted to make this layout. So what is the thing we wanted here, like 50 pixels is a layer, and this one no grid. So again I'll go this one, I'll make this one, right, done. So again same procedure which I showed you, control A, down, side, right? Yes. So what is next procedure? This one, done. Yes, done. My template is done. So yes, now we got the grid. Okay, so what is a grid shortcut? That is control F3. I'm going to run the show here. It is control F3, right? So this is what my template is. Can you see this? This is my old one, just forget it. This new one, just forget it. Another old one, just forget it. So forget it. So when you have one or two, three, four, like many templates, many different sizes, so you can make this kind of a template easily. That control F3, you can make it different keywords. Okay, that is up to you. So I am placing, right, so I got only this one. Now I can place something here. Yes, this is what I wanted. So this is like purely for e-commerce, that kind of things we can use. Okay, so this is all about action and the procedures what we should follow, so you can reduce your um, work stress, or you can improve your productivity. So this is it. And okay, what about other sizes? The same way which I did for 50 pixels here. So you should create one more new action. It's like earlier I put like 50 pixels, now I wanted 25 pixels, right? 25 pixels. So what is next? F3 already done. F4 I'll put, control I'll put, record, I'll put, fine. Okay, same procedure, 850. This is mine, but you should put yours. So done. After that I should take it as 25, right? Yeah, 25. So go to, don't forget this option, okay, layer one, because this is very nice, I liked it very much. And control A, control A, after that V you should put, after that. Okay, done. Right, so this is what I'm talking about, and delete it. So this is why action is very helpful. So now I'm going to stop this action, because till now only I wanted the action. So this is a control F4. Okay, you understood, no? So I'm going to stop this one. Next, I'm just I'll place things. So I stopped. Okay, so this I closed, this I closed. I don't want. So this is a new template because other different size I wanted, different margin which I kept, different no grid I kept. So this the one is control F3, this is right. So this is a different one, is control F4. So you can see the grids. Okay, same size, template is same, but grid is different. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is very easy process which you should follow for e-commerce images especially. And many people, they don't know how to import the actions, or you need to export, you need to give it to somebody. So what you will do, whatever the things you created, if you're the boss, like you wanted to give that action to somebody, then what you will do? So you can do is like you select it and go to shit, what I have done. Should be there, right? Okay, no problem. This is like I think it's already saved. So load action, I'll go. I really don't know what's happening here. Right. Okay, got it. So the Trump boy is here now. So whatever the things I created under the set, so now I can save these things in separate way. Save action. So definitely this is web template. So you should see add up 2020 preset action, add up action template, sorry, grid template, right? Oh, so this is done. Okay, so now I'll load this one. This is what I'm talking. So you can go back, you can take it, you can take it, you can make it, you can give it to anybody. So they will use, how they will use, they will use the way I copied. The same way they will go to load action and desktop, right? Yeah, desktop web grid template. So load it, just load it, done. It's here. Wow, it's great. And two actions, one set, two actions. You can change this name like Nandi, sorry, Nandi, right? So this is the procedure I'm talking about. It's completely cool, so no need to worry. It's very helpful for e-commerce image, especially why I'm saying it, because recently, come across whatever the things I used to do. So I started following the templates. It's very easy and no confusions, because if you are doing alone, that is, I understand, because you do in your own way. But when you're doing with the team, so you should have a consistency. You cannot just, get the different sizes or different you know, format images for your website. So be careful. You can follow this step. It's very easy. And let me know if you have anything, like any questions or any suggestions. It's welcome always. So anything, if it is there, so please put, in the comment box. So this is not, I hope this is enough for you. So anything, any request or any comments, you can put it in below comment box. So thank you very much. I hope you understood, or if you need anything,